Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change password on Yubo. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Yubo application. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon. Now tap on Account option. Then select Login Methods. Now tap on Change Password option. To change your password, you have to enter your current password. Then enter your new password. Enter your new password once again. Once you are done, tap on the red button. And this is how you can change password on Yubo. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.